Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on the concept fractions, exercise 5.2, and for this you can refer our textbook page number 159. Okay, right. Our question is, the perimeter of a square board is 8 by 7 meters. What is the length of each side of the board? At first, identify the key points and the terminology given. Okay. See, perimeter of a square board is how much? 8 by 7 meters. What is the length of each side of the board? Length of each side of the board. Okay. What do we require? We require a square board, right? Its length we need to identify, length of each side. Okay. Now, what is the perimeter of square board given? Perimeter of square board. How much? Perimeter of a square board is equal to 8 by 7 meters. Now, what is the length of each side of the board? How will you find out the length of each side of the board? What is the formula for perimeter of a square? For instance, if side of a square or length of the side of a square is A meters, then perimeter, what will happen to the perimeter of that particular square? Perimeter is equal to 4 into A meters, right? 4 into A meters, 4 times length. But here what was given as perimeter? 4 times length of the side is equal to 8 by 7. Okay. Now, what do we require? We require A, that is length of the side of the square, right? 8 by 7. If a number is multiplying on your left hand side, if you are going to bring it to the right hand side, means it will divide. Okay, divided by 4. How will you write this? 8 by 7. 8 by 7 divided by 4 will become 1 by 4. Okay. 4 times, how will you cancel out? 4 times 1, 4 times 2. So, what is the answer? 2 by 7 meters. So, what is the length of each side? 2 by 7 meters. What is the length of each side of the board? 2 by 7 meters. Okay, like this you have to first analyze the given question, identify the key terms and what is the given in the data, perimeter of a square board that was given, and length of each side of the board you require. You need to find out the length of each side of the square. For that, what do we know? We know that if the side of a square is A meters, then its perimeter is 4 times A meters. Then 4 times A is given as 8 by 7, and to find out A, we have brought this 4, that number 4 to right hand side, right? It is in left hand side portion. So, divide 8 by 7 divides 4. Divided by symbol is there, and then you have to convert it into multiplication, right? After converting it into multiplication, you have to multiply with the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 4, the reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So, 8 by 7 into 1 by 4 will become 2 by 7 by simplifying. Okay. Like this you have to identify the answer for the given question. Okay. Hope you understood the session, children. Thank you.